Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to another video. Hope everyone is doing well today. So we are making beef stew with potatoes and carrots. I'm going to be sharing this recipe with you guys. Hope you all enjoy the video, and don't forget to like if you find it helpful, and also share with family and friends. So as you guys saw, I have prepared already my ginger and garlic paste, a piece of ginger and 4 cloves of fresh garlic. I just crush it and set aside in a pot. Now I add some oil and 1 medium chopped onion. I'm going to fry for 2 minutes. You don't have to the onion don't have to be brown, okay guys, just to soften the onion, about 2 minutes. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add my ginger and garlic paste. I'm going to fry for another 2 minutes as well, and add the spices. So this is how the onion should look like. As you can see guys, the ginger, garlic and onion have mixed it together, and you cannot even see which is a garlic um or onion. Is both mixed. So now I'm adding some spices, some whole spices. I add cinnamon sticks, about 2-3 small pieces of cinnamon stick, black cardamom seed too. I add also bay leaves in there. I add cloves, 3 cloves. Now I'm going to fry it for another 2 minutes, and then I'm going to add the meat. I have washed my beef stew. It's clean. It's 300 gram, and I'm going to add now in the pot and add some spices and tomato. So this is a 2 small tomato which I chop, and this is a curry powder, half 2 tablespoon. I'm gonna add also barbecue spice, a tablespoon. I'm gonna add also a thyme and garlic seasoning, about a tablespoon as well. A quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, a half teaspoon of chili powder, and now a teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of vinegar. Next, I'm adding a tablespoon of soya sauce. And then I'm gonna just mix everything well to combine all the ingredients with the meat. And then I'm going to go ahead and add water, just enough water to cook the meat until it's tender. I'm going to use pressure cooker, guys. If you don't have pressure cooker, that's okay. You can use your pot. It's fine. But if you are using a normal pot, make sure you cook in low to medium flame. Don't cook in high flame, okay guys. So if you are using pressure cooker, you need high flame for this, and it takes, after start whistling the whistle, it takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Where after 15 minutes, just switch it off. Yeah guys, so the meat was ready, not complete ready. If you are making with a pressure cooker, don't overcook the meat. Yes, don't overcook the meat. Yeah, you can boil it for 10 minutes only, okay guys, because we still have to add the vegetables anyway, so we still have to boil, okay guys. So as you can see there, I transferred the meat in the pot and add the carrots. I add a half teaspoon of black pepper, a half teaspoon of coriander powder, a half teaspoon of cumin powder. Okay, and then I give a good stir and just cover. I'm gonna let it cook for about 10 minutes in a low to medium flame. In meanwhile, I'm going to prepare the potato. So this potato, guys, I have boiled first. And then I cut in square, as you can see guys, and then I'm going to deep fry until it's light golden before I add in my beef stew. So this is how the potatoes should look like. It's nice and crispy, and the color is so amazing. It's so beautiful. I love this color. And now I'm gonna go ahead and add the potatoes in my beef stew. I will give a stir and cover the pot for just a few minutes in low to medium heat. To correct myself, I said low to medium heat, but actually you have to put it, you have to slow the flame completely for 10 minutes. Okay, guys. And yeah, after 10 minutes, open the pot and voila, our curry is ready, as you can see, guys. So now I'm going to just sprinkle a pinch of garam masala, and I'm going to just add ginger, not ginger, I'm adding fresh coriander, and our beef stew is ready. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you did like, don't forget to like. Okay, guys, I'll see you all in my next upload. Allah Hafiz. Bye.